Good morning, this is a Class 71 71012 Hornby R3374. Well, basically it's an early Southern electric locomotive that would run off third rail and off pantographs. On this model, if you've got catenaries, you can run the power from the pantograph and not from the track. I've had this a while, I don't know why I haven't reviewed it, I don't know, because it is a fantastic model, runs really smoothly. Anyway, let's get down to it and I'll demonstrate it to you. Just one more point, it's a DC model and it's DCC ready. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. The first thing we'll do is run it into the sidings over Peco Insulfrog Points. Slow it down a bit. Now, being analog, the lights will just flicker. There we go, a little bit faster. And you can see, now if this was digital, the lights would be bright. Analog, the lights increase. Let's give it a bit more. Their luminosity, the faster you go. Take it out. That's a nicer speed. Bring it in again. And we'll take it out once more. And you can see it runs really nicely. As I say, all Insulfrog Points. And away we go, and you can see how nice and bright the red warning lights are on this locomotive. We're going to test this going through the ST245 radius 2 curve points, or Peco Insulfrog. I'm putting it in at what I would suggest is the speed you would probably drive it in at. It is tight, I can see it's tight, I can hear the wheels are clicking slightly, but it is radius 2, radius 2, radius 2 consistently, and you can see it's really tight there. I'm not going to adjust the power and you can see it's forcing its way through. Maybe it just needs a bit more to help it. It is so tight. As the inertia builds up, as it goes through radius 2, it just gets to the locomotive, it appears to get tighter and tighter and tighter. But as you can see, it's not derailing, there's no problems. There's no problems whatsoever with this locomotive. What I've done here is I've loaded it up with 12 carriages, which I dare say is more than the average model railway enthusiast would have this pulling. It's going through an ST245 radius 3 set track curve point. As you can see, I'm not bouncing it, it's running at a sensible speed. And it's as smooth as silk. This time it's going through the radius 2 part of an ST245 which is as tight as it's going to get. It starts on a radius 2, so obviously you've got the inertia of the carriages as they're being forced against the bend, and hopefully you can see quite clearly that the locomotive is not slowing down. It has an awful lot of power and consistency in the engine for a small locomotive. Here's a nice shot round the wide bend. The blue and silver liveries are a mixture of Bachmann and Hornby. A couple of them came from the 15 guinea set with Oliver Cromwell, and the 4 Pullman cars with lights are all Hornby. This is tackling our incline. It's not massive, but it's enough to slow a lot of other locomotives down pulling this length of train. And you can see it's a breeze. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing this quick and short to the point review of this Class 71 going over Insulfrog Points and pulling a heavy load.